Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, May 7th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have WhatsApp that has a bug. If you send a specific string of characters, you can actually crash the app, but even worse, you can even crash your phone. And it's been discovered a couple of weeks ago, but now they, of course, are working on a fix. So, take a look at WhatsApp updates because it might actually fix the issue. The NSA has collected over 534 million call information. So basically what they actually got as information is the phone number of origin, the phone number of the destination, and the duration of the call. But it's not specific personal information about the user or no listening in on the calls. But still, spying on a lot of people here with over 534 million calls that have been logged and saved in their database. Well, Intel isn't out of problems in 2018 after the beginning of the year that was pretty rocky with the Spectre and Meltdown problems. It seems that 8 new security flaws have been discovered in its architecture. But the good news, Intel says a fix is coming. Microsoft Build starts today, and in a very weird way, because it will overlap Google I/O also. That starts tomorrow, and 2 keynotes instead of 1, which is also really weird. Today is the cloud stuff. I'm not going to cover much of that. But tomorrow is Windows and other little things related to that, including Office 365. That will be more interesting probably to cover. So, of course, starts out today. The keynote is still going on as I'm actually doing this news bulletin. I've been just watching it, from far away, but nothing really, interesting in there because it's really cloud related pretty much. So, of course, we'll keep up and try to give all the information that they might announce at the conference. Well, Firefox users are a little mad because apparently Mozilla is about to introduce ads in the browser, and basically in the form of sponsored links. So apparently you will have sponsored links related to things that you might have or find interesting, but yet, it's kind of interesting way of making money, and you're wondering, well, are we all moving for something like that eventually? Let's face it, Google Chrome is also, kind of making money with that because it's related to Google, so it actually is making money through that. But I don't know, ads in the browser or sponsored links. Well, YouTube apparently removed hundreds of videos that were actually promising or promoting a homework cheating site. And this is, of course, after a BBC investigation that found that the videos pointed to an essay writing service to help students cheat at school. Kind of interesting to use YouTube. But, at the same time, using YouTube to promote your own things. But, this one is not necessarily a good one because it helps you cheat. Well, China. A research found that China is behind a decade of hacking with highly sophisticated malware that penetrated thousands of US companies, including software companies and gaming companies, to basically steal, secrets from these companies. And it's not over with more and more advanced methods. Apparently they have teams of hackers that actually work for the government in order to actually get all of this going. Well, this general data protection regulation is apparently driving a lot of companies a little nuts. Apparently many companies are struggling to meet the new European rules on data privacy, and that will start and take effect May the 25th. But one of the good things that might come out of this is this might change forever the way that they collect, or companies collect, data. Well, a poll made in the United States shows that most users are still loyal to Facebook, even though there was this, bad press from the Cambridge Analytica scandal. It seems that pretty much everybody stayed on Facebook, and pretty much everybody still uses Facebook and has no problem with it. Bill Gates, in an interview, says that if he could, he would actually stop the Bitcoin. He says that it's a bad thing and that not to trust on it, because he says that he doesn't have too much confidence in Bitcoins. And this week, 20 years ago, Apple has released what saved Apple from bankruptcy and maybe disappearing forever. The 20th anniversary of the iMac that was released in 1998 and actually was a very, very good turnaround for Apple and basically Steve Jobs at the same time. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, May 7th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.